So I've been opening up these mini brands fill the fridges off camera, and I got a pretty good amount. I'm almost done with the collection. I wanted to go ahead and start recording it again so you guys can see how easy or how hard it is to complete the rest and get what I need. So we're gonna open up 2 today, and then afterwards I will show you my checklist. So we got 4 new ones. That is great. Now let me show you guys my checklist. I am so close to completing this collection, but once I'm done, let me know if you guys want to see a fridge tour.